Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see coordinate geometry. So the given question, if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So we are going to find x and y in this place. Suppose if I take this as A and 1, 2 and B 4, y and C x, 6 and D 3, 5. Now I have to find the value of x and y. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Then we can say that coordinates of the midpoint FAC, coordinates of the midpoint AC is equal to coordinates of the midpoint BD. Both are equal. Then by midpoint formula, we can say, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Using this, we can find the midpoints. So, what is the midpoint of AC? How will you get AC? For AC, you have the coordinate points 1, 2. For C, you have x, 6. Then I can take x1, y1, x2, y2. So, coordinate of midpoint of AC I can write x1, 1, x2 as x by 2, y1 as 2, y2 as 6 by 2 is equal to coordinates of the midpoint BD. What is the point B? 4, y. What is the coordinate point of D? 3, 5. So x1, y1, x2, y2. When I substitute in this, what I will get? 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. So I am getting 1 plus x by 2, 8 by 2, 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now I can equate this and this, right? So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. I can cancel 2 and 2. So I'll be getting 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. The same thing here. Y plus 5 by 2 and 8 by 2 I can equate. When I equate 2 to cancel, then y plus 5 is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Then I'll get y is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Now we have found the values of x and y. Let us do the second sum. Find the coordinates of the point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. See what is given here. They are given a diameter AB. Diameter AB. And they said the center is 2, minus 3. And B is 1, 4. And we have to find the coordinates point of A. So I don't know the coordinate point of A. So I'm taking x, y. Same, I can use by midpoint formula. P of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So instead of P of x, y, the center point is given here 2, minus 3 is equal to, what is in x1 place? X. What is in x2 place? 1 by 2. And what is in y1 place? Y. And what is in y2 place? 4. When I equate these two, what I will get? Two is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So when I'll get 2 into 2 is equal to x plus 1, that is 4 is equal to x plus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 3. Then I am going to equate the next part. That is minus 3 and y plus 4 by 2. So I'll get minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y. Y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, the coordinates of A is, the coordinate point of A is 3, minus 10. Shall we do the next sum? If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 and P lies on the line segment AB. So, what is given first? AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Now I am going to find the ratios of that. See, I can write this 7 AP is equal to 3 AB. They say A and B are, this is A and this is B, right? So minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4. The coordinates of P is that P lies on the line segment AB. So P pointers lies on this, right? So we have to find the coordinates of P. Okay, so let us find the ratio for that. And I can write 7AP. Instead of AB, I can write AP plus PB. AP plus PB. So I'll be getting 7AP is equal to 3AP plus 3PB. So 7AP minus 3AP is equal to 3PB. This I'll get 4AP is equal to 3PP. Okay, so AP by PB or BP both are same. So I'll get 3 by 4. That is AP is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. The ratio is given here is 3 is to 4. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point P. How we are going to find? We know the section formula. By section formula, P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is m and this is n. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to apply in that. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. 3 into minus 4 plus, what is n again? 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. Next step, what I'll get? I'll get 3 2s are 6 minus 8 by 7. Then minus 12 minus 8 by 7. So I'm getting minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. The coordinate point of P is minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. Shall we move on to the next sum? Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8. So if I take this as A, this is minus 2 comma 2, and if I take this as B 2 comma 8, and that into 4 equal parts. So it is divided by 4 equal parts. So I'll get I'm taking this as P and this is Q and this is R. We have 4 equal parts now, right? So 4 equal parts it is giving. So I'm going to take Q is the midpoint of AP, AB. When I take Q as the midpoint of AB, I can find the Q of x comma y by using the midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Have the 2 points, that is A is minus 2 comma 2 and B is 2 comma 8. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So when I substitute in this place, I'll get minus 2 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. That is, I'll get 0, comma 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So I got a coordinate point of Q as Q of x comma y is 0 comma 5. Now I have to supposed to find the point of P, means P is the midpoint of AQ. Then what is the coordinate point of A and Q? A is minus 2 comma 2, Q is 0 comma 5. Now I have this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So I'll find P of x comma y is equal to, what is x1 plus x2 by 2? Minus 2 plus 0 by 2, comma 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2, comma 7 by 2. That is, I'll get minus 1 comma 7 by 2. So I got P of x comma y. Now I am supposed to find the midpoint of R. So R is the midpoint of what here? R is the midpoint of Q and B. QB. So I can write R is the midpoint of QB. What we have as Q 0 comma 5 and B as 2 comma 8. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Then I can write R of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 means 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2. That is 2 by 2 comma 13 by 2. I'm getting 1 comma 13 by 2. So we have found the coordinates of all the points, that is P, Q and R. Let us do the next one. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. We know the formula for area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. So yes, so we need the diagonals of these things. So first let us take a rhombus and find the diagonals of that. What are the diagonals we will be having? They say this we have taken in order. So 3, 0 is A and 4, 5 let us have this as B and minus 1, 4 as C and minus 2, minus 1 as D. So the diagonals AC and BD we have to find. How will you find AC? By distance formula. By distance formula we have S is equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. What is what is A? We have 3, 0 and C as minus 1, 4. x1 y1 x2 y2. When I subtract, what I'll get? When I substitute, what I'll get? 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole power 2 plus y is 0 and y2 is 4. So minus 4 whole square. So I'll get 4 square and minus 4 square. That is 16 plus 16. I'm getting square root of 32. This I can write 4 root 2 units. And I am supposed to find BD now. Diagonal, second diagonal. The same formula we have x1 minus x to the whole square, y1 minus y to the whole square. What are the coordinate point of B and D? 4, 5 and D is minus 2, minus 1. Now this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So x1 minus x to the whole square, that is 4 plus 2 the whole square plus 5 plus 1 the whole square. I'll be getting 6 square plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 36 is equal to square root of 72. I can write this as 36 into 2, that is 6 square root of 2 units. So we have found two diagonals. Now we are going to substitute in the formula. What is the formula we have for area of rhombus? Half into d1 into d2. Area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Okay. So what is the diagonal we have? What are the diagonals we got? 4 root 2 and 1 is 6 root 2. So when I cancel, I'll get 2 root 2 into 6 root 2. I'll be getting 24 square units. That is 6 2s are 12, root 2, 2. So 12 2s are 24. 24 square units. So therefore area of rhombus is equal to 24 square units. Do you understand, children? Thank you.